How to make your home stand out to buyers on the Florida Space Coast. Seller tips that work. Hi, I'm Margaret, your favorite Space Coast Realtor, and today we're going to discuss one of my most common questions home sellers search online. How do I make my home stand out to buyers? If you've ever looked at homes online and wondered why some get tons of attention while others seem to just sit quietly on the market, you're not alone. Sellers everywhere ask the same thing. What makes buyers fall in love with one home but scroll past another? Stay with me until the end because I'm going to share a simple trick that can help homes stand out online before buyers even step inside. And it can make a huge difference on how quickly your home sells. And if you're already thinking about selling and want to know what buyers are currently looking for in the Brevard County real estate market, feel free to call or text me anytime. 321-480-7662. I am always happy to help. First impressions start online. Today's home buyers almost always start their search online. Whether they're browsing homes in Titusville, Merritt Island, Cocoa, Melbourne, or Viera, buyers usually scroll through dozens of listings before deciding which homes they want to see in person. That means the first showing doesn't happen at your front door. It happens on a screen. Buyers often decide in seconds whether a home is worth visiting. This is why presentation matters so much when selling your home on the Florida Space Coast. As your favorite Space Coast Realtor, my goal is to make sure your home grabs attention in those first few seconds. And if you'd like to explore homes buyers are currently viewing, visit my website at margarettsellsdreamhomes.com or call and text me anytime at 321-480-7662. So, curb appeal still matters. Even in the age of online home searches, curb appeal is still incredibly important. When buyers pull up to your home, they're subconsciously asking themselves one question. Does this place feel like a place I could live? A few simple things can dramatically improve that first impression. Fresh landscaping, trimmed bushes, a clean driveway and walkway, pressure washing the exterior, fresh mulch in the flower beds, a welcoming front door. These small improvements can help your home feel inviting before buyers even walk inside. Light, space, and cleanliness sell homes. One of the biggest factors that helps some homes sell faster is how they feel inside. Buyers tend to respond best to homes that feel bright, open, clean, uncluttered. Before listing your home, consider opening blinds and curtains, removing excess furniture, decluttering countertops, deep cleaning kitchens and bathrooms. Sometimes the smallest changes make a home feel significantly larger and more welcoming. Professional photos make a huge difference. This is where my sellers accidentally lose buyers. Poor photos can make even a beautiful home look unappealing online. Professional photography, proper lighting, and good angles help buyers imagine themselves living in the home. When I market homes as your favorite Space Coast Realtor, I focus on showcasing properties in the best possible light so buyers can stop scrolling and start scheduling showings. You can even see some of my home walkthroughs here on my YouTube channel at Dream Homes Space Coast, Florida. The power of a great listing description. Photos grab attention, but the listing description tells the story. A well-written description highlights location benefits, upgrades and features, lifestyle perks, nearby attractions. Living on Florida's Space Coast comes with incredible benefits, from watching rocket launches in Titusville to enjoying the beaches of Cocoa Beach and Melbourne. When buyers read a listing, they should start imagining their life there. That's the goal. Pricing and presentation work together. Even the most beautiful home needs the right pricing strategy. If a home is priced too high, buyers may never schedule a showing. If it's priced correctly and presented well, the result can be a strong interest and sometimes even multiple offers. That's why I always combine smart pricing with strong marketing when helping sellers list their home. If you're curious about what your home might be worth in today's Space Coast real estate market, feel free to reach out anytime. Margaret Klein, your favorite Space Coast Realtor. You can call or text me at 321-480-7662. Check out my website at margarettsellsdreamhomes.com. The trick I promised at the beginning. Remember the hook from the start? Here it is. One of the biggest factors that makes a home stand out online is the very first photo buyers see in the listing. If that photo is bright, welcoming, and attractive, buyers click to see more. If it's dark, cluttered, or unappealing, many buyers will just simply move past to the next listing. That's why the right marketing strategy, professional photos, thoughtful presentation, and great exposure can make such a huge difference when selling your home. Thinking about selling your Space Coast home? If you're considering selling your home anywhere on the Florida Space Coast, I would love to help you create a plan that attracts buyers and gets your home noticed. Feel free to call or text anytime. Margaret Klein, your favorite Space Coast Realtor. Call me at 321-480-7662. Check out my website at margarettsellsdreamhomes.com or email me at margaret.klein@exprealty.com. Because when it comes to selling homes on the Space Coast, your favorite Space Coast Realtor is always ready to help make your next move. Thanks so much for following along, folks. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and hope to talk to you soon. Thanks.